should.
Hold on.
Shove them on those feet.
Make sure there ain't nothing.
They can be hand
They're mitten
cozies.
boots.
Mitten boots.
Her foot is not that big, is it? And she's right there. Wow.
Is she really?
Is that okay?
No. Yes.
Yes.
No, yes.
Is it?
No.
It's cotton, it stretches.
Like it will stretch out.
Mama, it's too big.
Sarah, do you have the liner on you?
Mama, it's too big.
It's not too big.
It's toe big.
Well, I'd rather it be too big than too small. If she can grow into them.
I think she means they're too small.
I think so.
Fluffy.
They're fluffies?
Yep. Yeah.
Do you love them?
Yep.
What do you say to Miss Andrea and Tim?
Thank you, Tara.
You say thank you, Andrea.
Thank you, Andra.
You're
Whatever total version of Andrea is. You could just say Tandria. Awesome.
Easier.
I'm so glad you guys came up with that.
Thank you very much. I mean, you have these two, which might be too big.
Maybe he's got choking on
You want to try those on too?
It's like, next try.
Okay.
It's try on
It
time.
could be with
Yes.
With. Nice.
Jera
Jara.
or Saray.
There you go.
My baby.
Oh, give her loving.
Siren. What's your baby's name?
Dolly.
Dolly?
Yep.
I dig it.
It's got no name in it. Sure. Be whatever you want it to be.
It's called Bunch of Cuddles.
Bunch of cuddles.
Lots of cuddles, a bunch.
It's called Dolly.
Whatever the hell.
Dolly.
Dolly.
Give her big hugs.
Dolly.
I want that doll.
It's like wonderful.
It's so wonderful.
This is wonderful. You
I'll keep that
crying?
in
You
mind.
crying? Here, put your
Her feet are a lot bigger than I anticipated for a little 4-year-old.
Yeah, her feet are huge.
On your way.
They are.
I kept looking at the slippers. I'm like, ah, they'll fit.
When I
They
was
got
little,
it.
I had the tiniest little skinny legs, and then like these big, long,
Big ass
ginormous
feet.
feet.
I thought
You were a
said
clown.
Yeah, I see that. I was.